Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to use Google Find My Device. So let's get into the video. So as the name suggests, you can use this Google Find My Device to find your device, anything that's been lost or missing. You can just use this app to find it. So you can simply download this Find My Device app from the Play Store. So once you have done that, then you're going to do what you're going to do. You're going to click on and log in or sign in with the email address that's associated to the lost or missing device. So whatever that device is registered with, so you log in with that email address, and then once you log in with that email address, it will pop up the device that's associated with the email address. So select the device that's missing, for example here. So just select that, and then when you select that, so what happens is that this will look for the location of the device, and then it will pop up on this map here the location of the device. Please note that this works only if you have turned on the location services on that device that you're looking for. So if that location service is active or turned on, then this location will be visible to you through this Find My Device app. So this Find My Device app, it's pretty handy and useful to find any of your device if you have missed it or stolen somewhere. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.